another episode of Farm Fresh Bites. Welcome. Today we're going to be cooking a carrot apple salad, really quick and easy, a little zesty, a little sweet, and you'll want to stay tuned for this week's code word, which you can use at our Saturday farm stand that happens from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturdays, so you can listen out for the code word this week. And we're going to get started. Alright, first thing you'll need to do is get all of your vegetables nice and washed. Next, you're going to chop up your apple into some matchsticks, and the way that you do that is by chopping them into planks and to get the core out, and then cutting those planks into little 1/4-inch matchsticks. Thing you're going to want to do is peel your carrots, and then once they're peeled, you're going to cut them also into little planks. Depending on the size, it can be easier if they're bigger carrots, but if they're kind of small, it might take a little bit more work to get them into matchsticks. Finally, you're going to combine the carrots and the apples together. Also, if you didn't know, you can use health bucks at the farm stand, and health bucks are a type of coupon that you can use at farmers markets around the city, including the Red Hook Farms Market that happens on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. This week's code word is sweet chives, which you can use at this Saturday's farm stand to get yourself some $2 health bucks. We've got our apples and carrots mixed together. You're going to make yourself a really simple lemon vinaigrette with a couple of lemons. Then you're going to add in some honey just to sweeten it and combine the lemon juice with the oil. And then you'll whisk in some olive oil to finish up your dressing. And once it's all whisked together, you can pour that right over your carrots and apples for a nice zesty flavor. And maybe use a bigger bowl than we did to mix your carrots and apples in, but it's all good. And then you can enjoy that. Pop it in the fridge, have it as a snack. You can even add raisins or other dried fruits to it if you want, and enjoy.